Ira Epstein with your morning flash update, and this update is for Monday, and we're at the 21st of February, 2023, 8:30 a.m. Central Time, and we wake up today to a different world. The stock market down rather sharply. Metals stable as the dollar is up, but it's given up half the gains that it made over the couple of days over President's Day. And by the way, on President Day, we had a phenomenal sale. So many of you took advantage of it. Congratulations. Smart. A lot of you went for the big discount on the price, and I hope you find it worthwhile. Now, let's get to some of the day's data. We'll come back to the charts in a minute here. So as we take a look, S&P Global Group's going to release their preliminary February manufacturing and service PMIs. I'll step back here so you can read a little bit better here. I shouldn't have made it that wide, but I had to copy something. Service index expected 47.1, and we'll see what that does. We get the USDA grain inspections this morning because of the holiday. They weren't out on Monday. U.S. existing home sales for January come out this morning. They're looking for an increase, actually, which will be interesting. The API comes out today. They'll do it this afternoon at 3:30. Discretionary spending, and this leads you to Walmart. Walmart's earnings just came out, and they're a total miss. In reading the report, I saw that they were missing on inventory, didn't get rid of enough. They're going to take some special charges on it. But bigger than that, they are really revising for the fiscal year their earnings lower. I decided with that today I'm going to do my first special stock report. I'll get it done this afternoon. It will be on Walmart. We'll cover the daily, the weekly. I'll try to do some price counts on it as well and show you the picture as to what we're looking at now on that. So that'll be the first stock report I've done in, I don't remember, could be a year. And I'm going to make this a regular event, trying to do one or two a week on those. And we'll be doing our other reports. I'm going to look right now at a date for our next webinar. My guess is it won't be this week. It'll be next week that I'll hold that. You'll hear more about that. Now, in the meantime, should you want to take advantage of any of our special offerings, just remember you can click up here. Now let's go forward. I've been writing to my subscribers that we're at the end of a time cycle in gold. Now, I know you don't understand necessarily what I'm saying there, but there are market cycles. One of the popular ones that I read a lot from a writer is the 72-day cycle, and we're at the zone where it can pick up for any reason whatsoever. Today, President Putin announced, after seeing, and I believe this, a surprise visit by President Biden in Kiev, right in the center of the war, without U.S. forces there, a highly unusual move, a slap in the face. Hey, I'm safe here, is basically what he said. Of course, I don't know that that's it. You know, Putin, if he attacked the American president and took him out with a missile, can you imagine we'd be in a nuclear war within minutes? So I don't think that that's the case. But what Putin did do is he's unilaterally pulling out of the nuclear treaty accord. So what he's doing is saying, hey, we're getting our butts kicked. This is how I'm going to interpret it. He's going to turn to his allies, Iran, China, India, some of the countries that work with him. Yeah, that's the countries. And he's saying to them, well, I'm going to get crazier. And guess what? They won't put up with it. Over time, Iran might. I don't see China saying, no, we don't need a nuclear event. And I don't see India wanting a nuclear event. This is not it. He's going too far. He's desperate. It's really that simple. We'll see what happens, but this is a sign of desperation. Remember, he waived at first the nuclear idea of a limited nuclear weapon. Now he's pulling out of this, the accord. The message is clear. He's losing. He can tell his people all they want. You don't do that. And that's crossing the line. In the grain markets, you're up again in the beans. The weather did not improve in Argentina. Their crops are in major stress. World supplies are tight. It's difficult to want to be short markets where you're getting that type of event. All of a sudden, cotton's picking up. It hasn't done this in a long time. Is it a bear market rally or something more? And I'll be looking in great angst at what's going to happen in the currencies. I've been waiting for a trade to set up, tried to get my client short at 107.19 and a half over the holiday, missed it by 1 full penny. What can you do? It happens sometimes, and we'll see what the next trade setups are. In the meantime, I'm Ira Epstein. You have a great trade morning. I will see you all at the end of the day with our market wrap-ups, and look for my special report today on Walmart. If you're on my mailing list, you will get a notice, an email saying, hey, it is out. Take care.